Welcome to Double Volume Bullish channel. So today I will share with you regarding Apple and Huawei. So Apple is launching 15 Pro by 22nd of September. So another competitor to Apple will be the Huawei. So Huawei Max 60 series will actually launching on the 30th of August in China. So the phone design, you can go Google and you go search what is look like. So we have to remember the date. So we talking about so we have to remember the date. Yeah. So this is the 30th of August. So this is a Huawei launching on the Pro 60. So Pro 60 series. Yeah. So this is a Huawei. So this is Apple. So Apple launching on the 26th September. So this is Apple launching on the 15 series. So there's a different product they launch on the both company. So Huawei, this is not Huawei company. So this is a Huawei related company. So Huawei create a corporation. So listed in Shenzhen. Yeah. So this is Apple. On the top here is Apple. So why I put these two giant companies? So we can just do a comparison on the screen. So you see Apple on the top. So this is not Huawei. So this is the Huawei related. So it's Huawei related company. So why I put these two on the same page and do a comparison. So mainly you can see that the moment Huawei launch 60 series, the impact actually go to Apple. So why go to Apple? Because they two of them is a competitor. So you can see that this is what happened. So you need to know very well. So if you want to compare the two company, so the different market or same market, so you can just compare. So how you actually want to do the trading is you look into the chart after that. So you know that Huawei is launching Pro 60. So definitely you're taking some of the Apple share. So that is definitely. So currently also we're talking about 22nd. Apple is launching 15 series. So it might be hit back the Huawei. So you can see that this is launching on the on the Apple 15 series. So it hit back the movement of the Huawei related company. So it's so many others related company you can go browse and you can do analyze. Okay, the most important thing now we're talking about how actually you use this information to trade. For example, we're talking about the 30th of August. So 30th August, when you heard about launching of the Pro 60 series of Huawei, so actually in the earlier days, people already buy in. So many people usually buy in. So even though the earliest of a week or 2 weeks ago, people already buy in. Later we can look into the volume. So what happened to effect on the Apple? So you can see the Apple, the share price actually dropped. So it's people is forecasting the Apple will be getting the the hit back from the Huawei again. So this is the trend that you can see that. So when the news coming out, so actually Huawei people still try to push Huawei. People buying because people thought that Huawei cannot beat Apple. So that's why a lot of people still believing and buying. Or we can say that the big boy actually use this information to sell their stock in hand. So they're selling out. So which this news is benefit which company? That is very important. For example, this is 30th. So definitely this will be benefit Huawei because the technology itself and for example, photo is actually better and far better than others product. So this is the advantage of the launching of this product. so the sales will be increasing. So you can see that people is queuing up, and people try to hit the button to buy on the 10:03 a.m. every day. So you have to queue up and go to online and buy Pro Max 60. So after that, you can see that this is price shoot up for a couple of days. So every day it shoot up like 10-20%. So there will be a Huawei. So what happened to Apple? So Apple, this is 15 series launching on this day. So on the 22nd and 23rd. So after that, the price doesn't shoot up. So the price is going down. So this is how you're actually using the important news. So this news actually worldwide. So everyone know about the news. Everyone know how the effect of the new product. So let us go to see Huawei creation first. So after we know the news on the 30th is launching, so what you need to do is you go search any related to Huawei stock price. So there's many, so microchip and all the technology side and whatever is related. So we add on volume. So I put in the volume that I use normally. So the spark volume. So you can see the volume here. So actually the volume is increasing. So you can see the yellow one. So yellow is representative the spark volume coming into the market. So you can see that here also the volume is coming to the market. So after few days, we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So normally I said before 3 to 8 days here. So you can see now 8 days. You can see my previous classes. So I actually definitely putting the investment within this day. So you see 3 days. So coming with the double volume and the next day actually give you a very good sign to buy in. So if you do this type of trading from here, so you buy in until today, so actually you make about 127% from the 13 days trading. That's how actually you can use the very important news to grab your fortune in the stock market. So guys, so hopefully you learn something. So you can learn that how actually in the minute chart or in the day chart or in any chart that you want. For example, you want to trade in within these few days, whether how you want to make a decision to put in your money. So if we use a signal like what we use here, so I normally use the average price. So if you know how to count the average price, yes. If you don't know, you can use this signal. This is the average price that we are talking about. So the big guy buying, selling, and then buying, selling, and buying, selling. So you need to know what's the average price in hand for the period of for example 2-3 months they're buying and selling. So you know, so it's easier. If the price doesn't sell below your average price, so if your cost price, we're talking about average price, your cost price, so this is a cost. So if the cost price you sell above the cost price, so you sell here, so that's definitely you make profit. So the moment when you make profit, only the price will be shooting up. So if you don't make profit, the price will be going down. So that's how the big guys is doing, you see. So you can see that here. So if you look into this chart, so you can see that this is the this is percentage. So it's about 8 yen. So 8 yen. So the moment this is the you confirm this is the average price 8.4. If there is no others average price showing on the day chart, you actually can change it to 2 hours chart. We don't miss the price, you see. So this is the 10.0 let's say 10.0 10 yen. So definitely 10 yen at the 2-minute chart is coming out. So this is the 8.2 8.4 something like that. This is the average price. So at the 2-minute 2-hour chart you can see about 10 yen. So this hitting the confirmation of the price that we actually went to buy in. So if you look into the double volume in the 2-hour chart, there's so many. So you can just put in your money on the any 2-hour chart. So you just buy in and keep the stock until today. So you're still making a huge money. So let's go back to Apple. Okay, we're talking about Apple. So if you look into Apple trend, so you can see that Apple definitely work together with. So you can see that the average price showing here is about 132. So after breakout, the price shoot up. So this is also same. This is the 150 range. So this is time that I'm talking about Meta. So actually, it's so many stocks at this time. So on the IT one. So in the US, this is the so current price on the Apple is this is the average price 178.39. So this is the average price. So any others average price within this range, we can just move it to 2 hours. If you want to doing on the US stock, actually you can go into the hourly chart. So you can see that this is the you can see that the Apple. This is currently the last night we're talking about Apple. So you can see this is the resistance 173. So you will look into the support. So we want to look into the average price at the bottom. So at the bottom here. So actually the average price is dropped far below here. So in this type of situation, you have to be very extra careful, is it? So this is 145, is it? So you look into this range, the detected average price is 145. So you have to be extra careful, yeah. So in this type of situation, we don't trade. We don't trade because it's quite dangerous. It can be drop until 14 something. So you have to be very analytical. You have to be analyzed. You have to know how to analyze the stock. So otherwise, you very hard to make money in the stock market. You see. So this is 150. So if you remember, so we have a 150 price that and then we have 14 something price 145. So this is the two area that you have to be extra careful even to trade Apple. So you have to wait for the Apple shoot up until 178, then we'll confirm that we can have a little bit of chance creating a bit higher, so more than 200 bucks. So first of all, actually I need to just share with you. So the conclusion of the how actually you know how to trade in the stock market, actually you need to find out the related very good news. Okay, related news that worldwide. So everyone know. So that only use full for the trading. Otherwise, news doesn't help you at all. You see. So how you interpret the news, and second, after that you have to compare. Okay, how to compare? Who compare to who? For example, we use Apple. We use Apple compared to Huawei. Okay. So we compare to Huawei. So if you in the same stock market, same market, you also can compare any stock, the same stock, okay, or the different stock, okay, especially the competitor of them. So if the price of one of them going up, the other one it might be going down. So the good news send it out to the market is helping the big boys to sell or to buy the other one. So you have to be extra careful. Hopefully this class, this video helping you in your trading life. So I see you again and share this to all your friends. Thank you very much.